Balubat na pala yung ano ko.
Marami ako ka-chat, no? Gala mo sa akin.
Poor.
Poor. Yung mga walang ka-chat lang yung poor.
Not poor. Ba't kayo dumami? Mag-off na ako ng live ko, ah. Dumami kayo dito. Punta kayo sa live ni Mayang.
Come to my live, guys.
Go to her live. Masiki lagi itlog. Wala ba? Nakita na dahil itong kuwan. Tikas ngabil. Close open!
Huwag ka
Close
tumawa sa
open.
short ko. Crispy fry. Ba't ka tumawa sa short ko, ha? Huwag ka tatawa-tawa.
Isang mabalikan, isang iiwanan. 'Cause I'm not gay like them. I love from things as you say. Hello, thank you. Up your legs. Oh, you want to up my legs? I want to do like that. It's fresh. It's baho. It's so fresh. You see my hair? My hair is so pretty.
Oh, my hair also is pretty. Like
Yeah.
me. Ah. Wala nga yan. Huwag yan. Na, di bagay sa akin. Di bagay sa akin, mataas na buhok.
Wow, small hair. Small hair daw. I have big hair.
Gcash, Jen. O, Gcash daw.
Bigyan mo ako Gcash.
Sila
Maglaro nga ako ng ano.
Sila mo muna. Scatter.
I want to play scatter, Rambo.
She's addicted to scatter.
Rambo, send me Gcash. I will send you my number. Ah, here's my number.
Tell Jen. Send me Gcash.
Ah!
Gcash number only.
My Gcash number. Oh, wait. I'll
Ah.
send you my Gcash number. Just only $2 is enough. $2 is enough. I can play 100 pesos.
Oh, this is my Gcash number. Send it. Send Gcash.
Here's mine. That's mine. Send me quickly. I will play.
Oh, nawa talaga 100 yung like.
Dadoy po, nagkatawa pa si Raisa.
Send me Gcash, guys.
Give me $1 or $2 is enough for me. I can't
No
play.
honey, no money.
I can't play scatter.
Please, honey. Oh, I have honey na.
Honey,
You are the honey. And I'm the
Send me.
bee.
$2.
And I'm the bee. Please choose one.
Just
One
$2.
Gcash only. You choose one Gcash.
Ah, thank you, Sense of War.
Asa na all?
Only one is a Kubul Max.
Hoy, how about mine? How about
Thank
mine?
you.
How about mine? Where's mine?
Thank you ba? Saan nagpagalang mo?
Where's mine? Hoy!
I will choke my sister, guys.
Jen Ranoff.